Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for a spa-like experience at home, check out this face and neck massager from YourMate. This little tool is very user-friendly. You just power it on by holding down the power button, and then there are 4 different modes. So this M here cycles through the different modes. If you push the power button again, it'll go through the different levels in that mode. So the first mode is clean. So it's a blue light, it has some vibration, and it's designed to help with skin clarity. The next one is lift mode, and that one is for skin texture, things like that. The next one is let in mode, and this one is my favorite because it combines all of the cool features. It has a little bit of a zapping sensation. It's very gentle, so nothing that hurts, but it's a really cool feeling, and this will really help to have all of your skincare be absorbed into your skin. And then finally, LED mode, and it's got 5 different colors of lights. So each of them is good for something different, but it can help to firm up the skin. I really enjoy the feeling of this machine. It fits nicely in your hand. The part that goes on your skin is smooth, so especially if you apply your skincare first, it will glide really nicely along the skin. You can do all sorts of different massage techniques with this and play with the different modes to see what works best for you. But I just really enjoy the feeling. I think it works really nicely. It comes with a USB charger, so it's easy to charge up, and then you have several hours of use. I like to use it generally at night before bed, but you have to use it on cleansed skin, so no makeup. And then it'll just really penetrate deep into the layers of skin. We all have different skin concerns, especially as we start to age. So this can help to target those different areas for whatever you need. And I think you'll really like it. And that's my point of view.